Dow Jones and Nasdaq achieved fresh near-term highs at 33,500 and 12,650 levels, and then has also erased the gains now back at a comfortable level. Specifically, US30 has traded moderately with moderate bearish bias. One important point to note was it failed to break below 33,800, which is definitely a good support. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, trade as per the levels. Now look at the early charts for US30, US100 sorry. See 12,650 it is achieved, and since then lower highs are seen, and yes, on the downside 12,350 levels it failed to breach, but yes, it has completed this journey here. Now recovered and retraced. So what it is trying to do, it is still trading bullish here. One thing is very important, it is still trading bullish. However, lower highs seen are indicating consolidation. And yes, you can see I have told you that it is trying to trade in this channel, and now it is precisely getting the resistance from the highs of this channel, which is situated at around 12,600 levels as of now. So possibly once it trades about 12,600, we can see a little more bullishness there. Right now it is trying to retrace. Now look at directional movement. Bearish stochastic is oversold on the early charts. Probably we can see little more couple of green candles. The MACD is bearish here. RSI is flat. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now look at 2-hour charts, see reversal sign, lower highs, then these 3 red candles. It is trading in this bearish channel. Yes, you can. Rather, I will recommend you to buy at 12,550 itself. Then you can expect 580, 600, 660, and then beyond that further bullishness might take it about 12,700 levels also. I will show you something on the daily charts which is of interest. I'll come back to that. Right now it is showing lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate a bit. On the downside, once again 12,400, 500 zone is something you should watch out for. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic dropping there. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. It was trading in green so far. It is looking forward to a sell entry. RSI is trying to look down there. And if you look at 3-hour, now see on the 3-hour charts after retracing a bit, yes, you can sell here at 12,480, but then expect 12,450, 400, which is definitely very, very good support. And on the downside, once again, probably 12,370 levels, which is the bottom of the channel, and rather you can take it as 12,350 itself, are going to provide a very, very good support. Now see, this is how on the 3-hour charts you can see Nasdaq 100 has been trading so far. You can see, and it's been long entire 2023 it has been trading in this channel. Now first thing is it has broke past the middle of this. Probably if it sustains about 12,600, we may see further bullishness, and we may see it hitting 13,000 levels also. That is one part of it. Next, now look at the 3-hour charts here. Yes, if you see it trading about 12,550, you can buy, but then expect 12,580, 600 levels as a good resistance level, and beyond that you can see it flying high. So in between 480 and 560, do not take any trade here. 550 rather. And see the directional movement here is bearish also. Stochastic is at high looking downside. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see it has shown a reversal sign here. This is the first candle. Probably there could be second candle which might take it till towards 480, 450. In fact, we can see it hitting 400 also. And on the downside 12,370, 350, these are going to be good support levels here. So it is trying to confine its movement within the lower half of this channel. If you see the directional movement, which is trading bearish, stochastic is flat. The MACD is in green trying to converge here, and RSI is looking flat here too. Now look at daily chart. Now this is what I was trying to show you on the daily charts. Lower highs and beautifully aligned here, and lower lows also. But see the bottom there at 12,200, which is also 20 period moving average. And with that as bottom, it is trying to create this pole and flag, and I will wait for it to break out beyond 12,650, 600 zone. in order to trade bullish further. And yes, obviously 700 is something you should look out for. Beyond that, certainly we can expect further bullishness. But right now, also remember one more point: since it has given a flat opening there and also it has come to support, I will wait for it to break past 12480 for the bearishness. Below that might take it 450 400 levels, but a recovery can also be seen later. See, the directional movement here is bullish still. The stochastic was oversold, it is recovering a bit. The MACD is in red, trading with little divergence, and the RSI is near to the highs here. So possibly even if you are selling at 12480, then 12450, 400, these two levels, and then specifically 12350 and 300. Till anyways, till 12200, I will not consider this as bearish. I have told you several times, and I am telling you again. I am telling you, and I will keep on telling again and again till the time it trades about 12,000, 12,200. We may see higher highs in Nasdaq 100. So take your trades accordingly, and on the upside you can buy at 12,550, beyond which you can expect it to rise for 12,600, 12,660 and 12,710 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the early charts for US30. Higher highs are finally seen. It has breached past the 33, 350, 400 zone, which is definitely is a good resistance zone. It has breached past this, and yes, higher lows are seen. 33,800 now is a very good support, which I have always maintained. Now see, drop, recovery, lower highs, and then this retracement. So still till the time it trades about 33, 900 and 800, possibly there could be another recovery there. But let's watch out for a little more. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is bearish. It may probably converge. RSI is also at bottom there. Now look at 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, there is lot much of clutter here, and definitely these levels may provide a little support. You can sell here at 33,940 levels, and below which you can expect 900, 880 and then 850, 800. Till 800, we have to remain cautious and observant. What we can see here, higher lows, higher highs. So be watchful till 33,850 levels on the downside, and in fact 33,800 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish here. Yesterday I talked about this, that MACD is divergent and bearish here, and it RSI is also looking down. Now look at 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, see the previous candle was a breakout. Now it is trying to reverse, definitely getting the support here on the downside. So probably once you see it trading below 33,940, we can initiate a sell, but then you have to be careful till 33,850, 800 levels, and below which you can see a little bearishness. However, right now it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, which makes 33,900 as a very good support. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is divergent and bearish. See on the 3 hour charts, you can see it has crossed over. This is trading with bearish bias. Probably it can try to trade it for a little while. RSI looking down, and if you look at 4 hour charts, now on the 4 hour charts, look at previous candle. The previous candle had a very small body, and diminishing body size indicates that it always increases the chance of a reversal. So possibly once you see it trading beyond 34,050, you can buy for 34,120, 200 levels, and beyond which further bullishness will be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop, still looking down. The MACD interestingly has crossed over for a sell entry here on the 4 hour charts, and this entry is after trading in green for a little while, but then still it has scope for it to trade bullish. So you be watchful there. Here on the MACD, RSI is looking down, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See, so far we have seen it getting resistance it from the long-term bearish channel, and now yesterday it has seen a breakout. It has shown a breakout. So once you see it trading beyond 34,040 today, you can buy, expect 34,100 and 34,200 levels. Now see, this levels again going to give it a good resistance on the upside. At the same time, look at previous candles. See, higher highs, higher lows are seen for the day. Then it means that yes, 33,900 should be a good support for the day. So you can sell at 33,940, but then I will not consider this as bearish until and unless it breaks below 33,800 levels. Yes, 33,900 first target, 33,850 levels next, and 33,800 is the next strongest support. But then this is part of the day. You can see it showing good swings also, because see, almost 16 hours of trading left from now, and hence it can show you swings. We have to be watchful. We should be observant and aware that there are stronger supports on the downside. And see, yesterday's candle was a good swing, and you can see precisely it is closed at the median there with the tail and the wick, and once it breaks beyond 34,050 levels, you can again expect it to provide higher highs. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat. The MACD is in red there. RSI has seen a little drop. Considering this, sell at 33,940, buy at 34,040, and on the upside till 34,250, on the downside till 33,800. Do not consider it that it has taken a direction. So yes, you can trade, but then be cautious in between these levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signal group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.